Welcome back, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I brought you this subtle Valentine's Day look. Very easy, very simple, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. Okay, bye! Taking Sunder and Canvas from the 39A Morphe palette, I am using those shades in my crease and outer V. Here you see the Jaclyn Hill palette, and from this palette I am picking up Hunts and putting that where I had previously put Canvas and Sunder, and making sure to blend it as best as I can. Remember to use little product at a time. Going back to blend will always help you. Taking the smallest bit of Create from the 39A palette, I am adding that a little bit lower from all the previous shades. Remember, just a touch. Blending throughout the process helps so much, you guys. Taking Bare from the 39A Morphe palette, I am softening those rough edges. Again, blending helps so much. Taking SBN from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I am adding that to the majority of my lid. Adding a bit of sparkle isn't bad, especially for Valentine's Day. It will draw attention to your eyes. So ladies, do a little sparkle. This could be for everyday use, not just Valentine's Day. But you guys, that is the end of this eye look. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, all that good jazz, and I'll see you